Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid Temu delivery delays by checking a few things before you order. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get into it. First, you should check the seller's rating. Tap the product, scroll down and look at the sold by section. If the seller has a low rating or very few completed orders, there is a higher chance your order will be delayed as well. Stick with sellers who have good reviews and thousands of orders, like this one I'm showing you. 4.5 or higher rating is very good. Now pay attention to fastest delivery days. If you see long delivery days or it says something like ships in 7 to 10 days, that's already a red flag. It usually means the seller is a third party with slow fulfillment. Also, some regions have non-delay issues. Rural areas or international orders often take longer. In those cases, always pick orders marked Temu warehouse or local delivery if available. Bonus tip: place separate orders for fast shipping items and slow ones. That way, the delays don't hold up your entire cart. Or you can even pay extra for an express delivery. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.